This is Sabatia Eye Hospital, where operations are done on a daily basis. Apart from surgery, the hospital is also offering trainings.
My name's Gladys Elavoga. I come from Rift Valley Provincial Hospital, Nakuru. Here for a 3-month course of upgrading in ophthalmology. As we continued working, we were told there are about 2 places in Kenya where we can train to upgrade our skills in eye care. So I preferred Sabatia because I had been told of how competent and the exposure which is in Sabatia. So I decided, together with my in-charges, that I should come to Sabatia so that I can get the skills that I require.
Okay, the training here has been vigorous for the past 3 months. I got enough skills to be able to screen, diagnose and prescribe medication to the eye of any person with eye condition. And the skills that I learned here, I'm going to use it in Marsabit, where there is a lot of trachoma cases and eye problems.
Rosa Nyang'or could not hide her happiness after a successful surgery on both eyes, and she shared with the Voices of Africa her happiness.
No, aneni.
To chunyi chal nadi mor? Imor gimanyo timni no.
Tada mor manadi ya.
Daka ne kimor. Daki go sigala matin.
Jerry Meresa reporting for Voices of Africa from Sabatia Hospital.